This welding machine outperforms German welding technology. In the past, 5 welders were needed to finish the same work. Now only 1 worker can operate machine independently. The production efficiency is increased by 500%. Our welding machines can be shipped to all countries. We provide complete on-site installation service for all buyers. Also offer professional operation training for your workers. Sincerely welcome global interested customers to contact us. Our contact WhatsApp 861775158308. Add me, I will send you detailed product materials immediately.